Tara guys, samahan niyo ako guys, may interview tayo sa lalaki. Hello sir, good morning sir. Sir,
Yes.
pwede ba kita ma-interview sir?
Yes, I'm manager SM.
Yes sir. Sir, nakikita ko sa sarili mo sir na isa ka professional sir.
Yes.
Sir, what can you do for the living sir?
The living of the matter help the project of the year. That the season of the knowledge of. You see that? You see.
Yes sir. Ang ganda nga sir.
No. This is my project.
I say, you're the owner?
Yes, I'm a manager SM City of Mall.
Oh sir, tell me about your sir, your work details.
My work is turo there. Turo there. I'm manager na.
Okay.
Manager nga ni. Yes.
Sir, sahod reveal sir.
What
Monthly sahod sir.
monthly of
Bag reveal, sir.
50K a day?
Oh, bag reveal.
Bag reveal sir,
Money reveal.
Ano mga laman ng bag mo sir? Essential? Ano yan sir?
iPhone.
iPhone yan sir?
iPhone, yes.
iPhone 25.
17?
25.
Yes.
Ay, 25.
Advance.
ATM card.
Wow! Do you have credit cards or lots of many credit cards?
And then, gotta see this. And ATM card again.
Yes, senior citizen card?
Yes. Yeah, sure.
Show your money. Show your money.
ATM of USA. ATM there.
Okay sir, tell me about your company sir. What company do you have?
My company is SM City Mall. Manager me of SM.
You're the manager of all of SM around the Philippines?